You're eating nasi padang? Sit inside. Sit. Tuk tuk. Here, okay. Oh, drink.
Iya.
Nasi padang we are eating now. So let me show you nasi padang. This is the nasi padang which we are eating now. Finally, we found something. It's the start time. We found this nasi padang. We are gonna eat this nasi padang. I don't know what it is, but still we are gonna eat. Let's hope it tastes good. Nasi padang time. We are hungry. Nasi padang time. Mashallah, nasi padang time. It's very delicious nasi padang. So we are in Tangarang. We are lost at this area, so we come here to eat nasi padang. Nasi padang time.
You like
Chicken, okay. Chicken.
ayam.
Bakar, goreng,
Goreng.
What you like?
goreng.
Goreng.
Same, same.
Satunya lagi apa? Tinggal satu goreng.
Rasanya sama sih.
Satu lagi yang bakar.
Drink. No, have coke. No, no drink coke.
Ini mana yang ada? Dia tanyain mau minum apa?
So we're gonna eat this one. Let's start with this dish, nasi padang. So this is the nasi padang. No, this is not nasi padang. It's look like chicken. I don't know what it is. And nama
Ayam goreng.
ayam goreng. So we can't find nasi padang. Ayam goreng. So Lutfia and me are eating ayam goreng. This is
Ikan lele.
kala. Okay, Bismillah. So now let's eat and do Bismillah. So finally we finished the food, and now we are gonna go right now. How much? Okay, I pay.
Pakai apa?
So the food I really enjoy it here. Alhamdulillah, it was quite nice.
Saya boleh pakai sambal.
How much? How much? Okay, okay.
Tiga puluh. Balik.
So we finished, and I really enjoyed chicken ayam, and then Lutfia ate the fish. It was quite good, to be honest with you. Jazakallah. So make sure to subscribe. Bye. Assalamualaikum. It's okay.